Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywidekb. I'm gonna come in back with another video, and today I got the oil filter housing gasket replacement. Now I had to come on here and do an intro for y'all boys because I accidentally crossed up 2 videos into one. So
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. VTEC engine 3.2 Acura TL. It's gon' hawk.
For the most part, it's 3 10mm bolts. One is longer than the other one. It's the bottom right, if I'm not mistaken. And you don't have to take off the harmonic balancer to do this at all. Harmonic balancer, crank pulley, whatever you want to call it, you don't have to take it off. Only reason you have to take it off is to do the front main seal, and we are not doing that today. So boom. Don't even do that to me. Let me get in there. Okay, so boom. Like I said, those 3 bolts, the one on the bottom is going to be the longest. You don't have to take off the harmonic balancer only because it's only 3 bolts holding it down. 3 bolts holding it down, 2 connectors holding it in, and pressure holding that motherfucker on. Pressure and goddamn age and heat. But as you can see, I do need to rip this bullshit off. It is, don't even mind it. But yeah though, man, for the most part, if you do have a J series over the age of really 8, you should want to get that, the oil filter housing gasket. You should want to replace that. It is it's not even brittle now. It's plastic now. It went from rubber to being plastic. That's why you're leaking oil, because the rubber seal has now become erect as a motherfucking old man's penis on fucking Cialis. Only thing I can honestly say is when you are doing this job, if you are mechanically inclined, it'd just be best for you to go ahead and do oil filter gasket and the crank seal at the same time, because you're really in the same general place, and then you're going to be spraying brake cleaner to clean it up, and front main seal is more than likely going to be leaking. So the best thing for you to do would be to change everything at the same time, kind of like while you're in there. It'll be best to do all of that, but I don't know why they didn't do it. If these are remanufactured heads and a new water pump, new timing belt, I don't even know if you all in front of the engine. I don't know why you just didn't go ahead and tax that on to the customer like, hey, you need this. We already in here. It's gonna fucking leak if you don't. But hey, I guess they opted out of it. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably gonna throw y'all the future KB so y'all can get a glimpse on how to take this apart and put it back together without any worries, you know, because it's really not that hard. Just 3 bolts, 2 connectors, and then yeah, that's it. So let me just throw y'all into the future. So boom, I done took the oil filter out, with the oil filter housing out. Didn't record it because that top bolt, that longest bolt, was giving me hell, my body. But finna take this over to the workbench, get it cleaned up. But yeah, that's more than likely get leak right there. Back on the work table, somewhat cleared off. Solenoid size right here, or this oil pressure switch size is a 22. So I already got that broke off camera, so I'm just gonna spin that guy out. And voila. And just replace this oil gasket right here. It's already crunchy. I don't know, let me show you the other gasket. But yeah though, this other gasket, and it's supposed to be rubber. So Lois, what's up, man? Man, you look a little special on camera. But you will have some residual oil that come up out of there. Then take these 2 tins off. For the oil pressure switch, there's that part number. Oh, it's for the VTEC. And this is the actual gasket with the screen attached. So boom, this is the final product before I put it back on the car, and right before I re-clean the mating surfaces and seal this leak before we going back onto the front crankshaft seal. But we ain't there today. We just gonna do this today and call it a day. Oh boom, got the oil filter back on. Got every connector back on. And when you are connecting it back on, just connect the VTEC solenoid up first before you get any bolts in, and then get it hand tightened down. Then put the oil pressure switch on. It'll make your life a lot easier than just trying to fight the shit. But got it on. I started my oil leak. Now I'm finna go fill up with gas. Nigga said gas with oil. Petrol, same thing. Shoulda got the first start. I really hadn't even started this motherfucker up. Not even 10 seconds ago. It literally just started up. But just want to come back on here and just do some little testing, slight little testing and slight little monitoring. But for the most part, I'm gonna let this get all loaded up. 100%, no lights on the dash. But yeah, though, man. Can't hear nothing up front. Still missing a tad. So I know I need to do my spark plugs and my core pack. So that's gonna be in another maintenance video. It's not gonna be in this video. Other than that though, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get about y'all here. If y'all did like this video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on. Catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
I did it all, flew out all my dogs, I feel I beat the odds, don't care where I end up, I swear I always put my faith in God, won't change it all. I know if I fall, I still can get back up and broke before. Swear so many times I feel like giving up. Rest in peace to Dr. Burner, a white man who gave a fuck about everybody besides himself and paid us just to clean shit up. Remember back in school, Mr. Hill called me a class dummy. I know what he meant, so I didn't take anything bad from it. Lost the bitch I love because she want niggas with cash money. I was just a worker at McDonald's, don't feel sad for me. Everything just happened for a reason. Nigga change like season. Used to pick up change from all the ground in times I really need it. I know how I feel to be slept on. I feel like Tempur-Pedic. I know how I feel to be down bad and told that you're not needed. My heart cold, I'm on the road just looking for some treatment. If you got it, please just let me know. Until then, I'm defeated.
Niggas ain't fucking with me and they know. Black out the wood tryna load up and blow. I'm the little nigga who pushing them low. Not in my pocket, a Glock on the road. Pull my eyes, go visit the bank.